I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Denovator, where my experiences become your adventure. Today we're at the Thomasville Rose Garden in Thomasville, Georgia. Remember to please subscribe and please hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. We're not only going to explore the Rose Garden, but we'll also explore the Cherokee Lake Park. I was told that the roses are in bloom from April to July. On this Saturday, July 13th, there are still some of the roses that are in full bloom, but it looks like there's quite a few that's starting to dry up. The Rose Garden has 4 themed flower bed areas, which are named Heroes, Holidays, Love and Cherish, and Famous People. It also includes 2 assorted bed areas and 2 memorial bed areas. The Rose Garden centerpiece is this gazebo. There are many different varieties of rose bushes spread throughout the garden. Thomasville has its annual rose show and festival in April. This placard reads White and Bracken Trees. I would assume it's a memorial to some local families around these parts. Leave a comment if you know exactly what this refers to, because I would like to know. Now we're going to walk over to the Cherokee Lake Park. It looks like these fitness stations are spread throughout the park. And then there's this playground. This climbing web looks like a giant pyramid. There is a public restroom available while you enjoy the park. Cherokee Lake Park is considered to be one of Thomasville's most scenic recreational areas. This playful squirrel was glad to see us at the start of our walk. The light pole indicates that you could walk this 1-mile path at night. And by the way, there's no cost to explore the Rose Garden or the Cherokee Park. To the right of the bridge, I was amused by the single file line of those geese exiting the water. The animals out here seem to be friendly, or they think I'm going to feed them. It is recommended that you don't feed the ducks or geese bread. Fishing is allowed in the lake along with non-motorized boats, but no swimming. Can y'all see that turtle? It would be amazing to stand underneath the train as it traveled overhead. Let's go over here and see what kind of bird this is. I'm going to explore this little side path. It leads up into this subdivision. The people who live there have a red carpet access to this local attraction. I wonder what that structure is. There was no sign indicating what this is. It's my assumption it is a bat house. But if you know, please leave a comment. This is an unusual looking tree. The walk around the lake provides many places to sit and meditate. I said it before and I will say it again. It would be insane to stand underneath the train as it rumbles over your head. Here's a look at the big fountain in the middle of Cherokee Lake. There's another exercise station, and up in here looks like something interesting. It's my hunch this is a jail or a prison. If it is, according to this sign, if you cross the guard line and you're arrested, you won't have to travel far to get locked up. Now that's a tall tower. There's somebody fishing over there by those trees. Here's some of the support cables for that tower. This looks like a rainwater drain for what I believe is the jail. My hunch was right. Near the south end of the Cherokee Lake is the Thomas County Sheriff Department and jail. And that's a nice looking Dodge Challenger. You have to watch your step in some places. Compliments of the geese, I'm sure. Here's looking toward north at the lake. I want to get a close look at this spillway. Well, I highly recommend this peaceful and scenic, unique Thomasville Treasure. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today here at the Thomasville Rose Garden. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator. I'll see y'all next time.